Welcome. Today, we're diving into how startups can choose the right contract management software. If you're building a business, managing contracts efficiently is crucial for growth and compliance. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we'll break down a clear, step-by-step checklist to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your current system, these steps will guide you through the process. Let's get started by understanding why contract management matters for startups. Contract management is more than just storing documents. For startups, it's about reducing risk, ensuring compliance, and saving valuable time. A good system helps you track deadlines, manage renewals, and avoid costly mistakes. As your business grows, the number of contracts multiplies, making manual management nearly impossible. That's why choosing the right software early on can set you up for long-term success. Next, let's look at the first step in the selection process, defining your needs. Before you start shopping for software, take time to define your startup's unique needs. Consider the types of contracts you handle, the number of users, and any industry-specific requirements. Do you need e-signature capabilities? Are you looking for integrations with other tools like CRM or accounting software? Make a list of must-have features versus nice-to-haves. This clarity will help you filter out options that don't fit and focus on solutions that truly support your workflow. Budget is always a concern for startups. Contract management software can range from free basic tools to expensive enterprise solutions. Decide how much you're willing to invest. Remember to consider not just the upfront cost, but also ongoing fees, potential add-ons, and the value the software brings in terms of time saved and risk reduced. A clear budget helps narrow your choices and prevents overspending. Now, start researching available contract management software. Look for solutions tailored to startups or small businesses. Read reviews, check ratings, and visit vendor websites. Pay attention to user experiences, especially from companies similar to yours. Create a shortlist of 3 to 5 options that seem to meet your needs and budget. This research phase is crucial for making an informed decision. With your shortlist in hand, dive deeper into each software's core features. Essential functions include contract creation, storage, search, and tracking. Look for automation tools, reminders for key dates, and customizable templates. Make sure the software supports e-signatures if you need them. The goal is to ensure the basics are covered before considering advanced features. Security is non-negotiable when it comes to contracts. Check if the software offers encryption, secure user authentication, and regular backups. Ask about compliance with regulations like GDPR or SOC2. Your contracts contain sensitive information, so make sure the provider has a strong reputation for protecting customer data. Don't hesitate to request a security white paper or audit report. A powerful tool is useless if your team can't use it easily. Test the user interface for clarity and simplicity. Is it easy to upload, find, and manage contracts? Can new users learn the system quickly? Look for intuitive dashboards, clear navigation, and helpful onboarding resources. Usability can make or break adoption, especially in fast-paced startup environments. Your contract management software should work well with the tools you already use. Check for integrations with email, CRM, accounting, and cloud storage platforms. Seamless integration reduces manual work and errors. Ask vendors for a list of supported integrations and see if they offer APIs for custom connections. This step ensures your workflow stays smooth and efficient. In today's mobile world, access on the go is essential. Check if the software offers a mobile app or a responsive web interface. Can you review, sign, or manage contracts from your phone or tablet? Mobile access keeps your team productive, even when they're away from their desks. This flexibility is especially valuable for startups with remote or traveling team members. Every startup is different, so customization is key. Look for software that lets you tailor templates, approval workflows, and user permissions. Can you add your company branding? Are there options to create custom fields or reports? The more you can adapt the system to your processes, the more value you'll get from your investment. Startups grow quickly, and your software should keep up. Check if the contract management system can scale with your business. Can it handle more users, contracts, and features as you expand? Look for flexible pricing plans and the ability to upgrade easily. Scalability ensures you won't outgrow your investment as your company evolves. Reliable customer support is a must, especially for startups with limited IT resources. Check if the vendor offers live chat, phone, or email support. Is there a knowledge base or community forum? Fast, helpful support can resolve issues quickly and keep your team moving. Don't overlook this aspect when making your final choice. Great software comes with great training. Look for vendors that offer tutorials, webinars, and onboarding guides. These resources help your team get up to speed quickly and make the most of the software's features. Training can also reduce mistakes and boost confidence, especially for users new to contract management tools. Never commit without a test drive. Most vendors offer free trials or live demos. Use this opportunity to explore the interface, test features, and involve your team. Pay attention to any limitations during the trial and ask questions. A hands-on trial is the best way to see if the software fits your workflow and expectations. After testing, compare the pricing plans of your top choices. Look beyond the monthly fee. Consider what's included, such as storage limits, user seats, and support levels. Watch out for hidden costs, like setup fees or charges for extra features. Choose a plan that fits your budget and offers the best value for your needs. Before signing up, read the terms and conditions carefully. Check for contract length, cancellation policies, and data ownership. Make sure you understand what happens to your data if you decide to switch providers. This step protects your startup from unexpected surprises down the road. Involve your team in the decision-making process. Gather feedback from those who will use the software daily. Their insights can reveal usability issues or missing features you might overlook. A tool that works for everyone increases adoption and satisfaction, making your investment worthwhile. Ask vendors for references or case studies from similar startups. Contact these references to learn about their experiences, both positive and negative. Real-world feedback can help you avoid pitfalls and confirm that the software delivers as promised. A vendor's reputation matters. Research the company's history, customer base, and financial stability. Look for awards, certifications, or industry recognition. A reputable vendor is more likely to provide reliable service and ongoing updates, reducing your risk as a customer. If you're switching from another system or manual process, data migration is a big deal. Ask if the vendor offers migration support, tools, or services. Smooth data transfer minimizes downtime and ensures you don't lose important contract information during the transition. Automation can save your team hours each week. Look for features like automated contract generation, approval routing, and renewal reminders. These tools reduce manual work, prevent missed deadlines, and free up your team to focus on higher value tasks. Good contract management software offers reporting and analytics. Can you track contract status, renewal rates, or compliance metrics? Customizable reports help you spot trends, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. This visibility is vital for scaling your startup efficiently. Startups often face strict regulatory requirements. Check if the software includes compliance tools, such as audit trails, permission controls, and document versioning. These features help you meet legal obligations and provide peace of mind during audits or due diligence. A robust template library speeds up contract creation and ensures consistency. Check if the software offers pre-built templates for common agreements or lets you create and save your own. This feature is especially helpful for startups without a dedicated legal team. E-signature capabilities are a must for remote teams and fast-paced deals. Check if the software includes built-in e-signature tools or integrates with popular platforms. This feature streamlines approvals and keeps your contracts moving forward without delays. Control over who can view, edit, or approve contracts is essential. Look for software with robust user permission settings. This ensures sensitive information stays secure and only authorized team members can make changes. Never miss a deadline with automated notifications and alerts. Check if the software can send reminders for contract renewals, approvals, or expirations. Timely alerts help your team stay on top of important dates and tasks. Cloud-based contract management offers flexibility and security. Check if the software stores contracts in the cloud, allowing access from anywhere. Look for features like version control, backup, and disaster recovery to protect your data. As your contract library grows, finding documents quickly is vital. Look for advanced search features, such as keyword search, filters, and tagging. Efficient search saves time and reduces frustration for your team. Version control is essential for tracking changes and maintaining an audit trail. Check if the software keeps a history of edits, approvals, and comments. This feature helps resolve disputes and ensures everyone is working with the latest version. Effective contract management is a team effort. Look for collaboration features like comments, task assignments, and shared editing. These tools streamline communication and keep everyone on the same page throughout the contract lifecycle. Automated approval workflows speed up contract processing and reduce bottlenecks. Check if the software lets you set up custom approval chains, notifications, and escalation rules. This ensures contracts move smoothly from draft to signature. Beyond core integrations, check for compatibility with third-party tools like Slack, DocuSign, or Google Workspace. These connections can further streamline your workflow and reduce manual data entry. Technology evolves quickly. Choose a vendor that provides regular software updates and new features. This keeps your system secure, compliant, and aligned with industry best practices. Unexpected events can happen. Check if the software includes disaster recovery features, such as automatic backups and data restoration. This ensures your contracts are safe even in the event of a system failure or cyber attack. Legal compliance is critical for startups. Ensure the software helps you meet local and international regulations, such as GDPR or eIDAS. Built-in compliance features reduce legal risks and simplify audits. Ask vendors about the typical implementation timeline. How long does it take to get up and running? Are there onboarding specialists to help? A clear timeline helps you plan and ensures a smooth transition. Consider your exit strategy before committing. Can you easily export your data if you decide to switch providers? Make sure the software allows for smooth data export and doesn't lock you in. Planning ahead protects your startup's flexibility. A strong user community and ecosystem can enhance your experience. Look for active forums, user groups, and third-party add-ons. Community support can provide tips, troubleshooting, and best practices from other startups. If your startup operates internationally, check for localization features. Does the software support multiple languages, currencies, and regional formats? Localization ensures your contracts are accurate and compliant across markets. Accessibility matters for all users. Check if the software meets accessibility standards, such as screen reader compatibility and keyboard navigation. Inclusive design ensures everyone on your team can use the tool effectively. Slow software can frustrate your team and waste time. Test the performance and speed during your trial. Fast loading times and quick searches keep your workflow efficient and your team happy. Now, gather all your research, feedback, and trial results. Compare your top choices against your checklist. Involve key stakeholders in the final decision. Choose the software that best fits your needs, budget, and growth plans. Remember, the right tool will support your startup's success for years to come. Choosing contract management software for your startup doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following this step-by-step checklist, you can find a solution that fits your needs, budget, and growth plans. Remember to define your requirements, involve your team, and test before you commit. With the right tool, you'll save time, reduce risk, and set your business up for long-term success. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your startup journey.